Hey guys, we're talking about common multiples today. Common multiples are when two numbers have a multiple in common. So for instance, if you look at 2, well, 2's multiples are 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do I appreciate? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, da 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 da. It goes on forever. And let's look at 3. 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Notice how it just goes up by 3 each time because I'm just skip counting. And remember, the multiplication table is a good reference for these. So now I find the common multiples of 2 and 3. And there's so many of them. Like the dot 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 means it just goes on forever this way. So they're going to be endless common multiples. And I'm not going to talk about all of the ones once I get up to like the millions. But let's look at the first few. And the book just asks you, hey, find the first 2 or the first 3. So if we see a common multiple, let's notice them. Okay. Oh, I noticed a 6 and a 6. I'm going to circle them. So 6 is a common multiple. So if I had to write down the common multiples, I've got 6. What else? Let's see. 12 and 12. Same thing, same number. So 12 is a common multiple. It's a multiple of both numbers. They have it in common. Kind of like if you and your friend both like Harry Potter, you have that in common. These numbers have this in common, the multiples. Let's find another one. 18. It has 18 in common as a multiple, common multiples. Any more? What if we were to keep going on our 2s? 22, 24, 24, common multiple. So the easiest way to do this is just write down the multiples of both numbers and then just circle them and see what do they have in common. So for like in the book today, we're going to be doing pages 50 and 51. It asks you to do that with 3 and 4. So you'll do the same thing but 3 and 4, and then 6 and 9. And then find the first 3. Let's see. Or here it says list the first 8 multiples of 8. Well, if you don't know them by heart, just look at your list. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64. So, and then it says, which of these are also multiples of 6? So what that means is, oh, now I've got to find the multiples of 6 too. 6, 12, 18, 24. Oh, I just found one for you. 24. 30. Anyway, you're going to do the rest yourself, but that's how you do that. Find the common multiples. Which multiples do they have in common? Or if it says here, number 3, it says 21 is a common multiple of what 2 numbers? So what I would probably do is just look at your multiplication chart. And where do you see 21? Oh, I see it right there for 3. Do you see any more 21s? See if you can find another one. And also, you guys, if you find a common multiple, like if you find a multiple of, say, 4, and it's, 4, 8, or 12, 16, let's look at 6, let's look at actually like 28. There's 28. 4 times what's 28? 4 times 7 is 28. So you know for a fact 28 is a multiple of 4 because it goes 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. But you also know it's a multiple of 7 because it goes 7, 14, 21, 28. Common multiple. Which makes sense when you think that, oh yeah, 4 times 7 is 28. Of course it's going to be multiple of both numbers. So if you ever find a number like 30 or something for 6, go ahead and look up and see what's up top. Oh yeah, 5. Well, that makes sense. 5 goes into 30 as well. So does 6. So it goes up and to the side. And that makes sense because 6 times 5 is 30. So of course 6 goes into 30 and 5 goes into 30. So pretty much that's all they're asking you to do. You'll just have to work them out. So if it says like 8 and 12, just work out the 8s and work out the 12s. So please, oh, okay, then number 6 and 7, they give you 3 numbers to find common multiples of each 3 digits. So that's kind of hard. So they have like 2, 3, and 4. And they say, hey, find the first 3 common multiples. Well, I'm not going to find all 3 for you, but I'll help you find 1. So you just have to list them all. Okay, so 2s are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. You're just gonna need to get some scratch paper and work these out. 16, 18, 20. 3 is 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21. Keep going, you can do that. 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Do you see any common multiples of that each one has in common? Like 2, 3, and 4, they're all like, hey, what do we have in common? It's like finding 3 kids that all like Harry Potter and all like Lord of the Rings, and they all like Star Wars or something. Well, let's see. Oh, I just found one. 12. So the common multiples of 2, 3, and 4, a multiple they have in common is 12. It's your challenge to try to find the next 2. I just found you the first one, 12. But there are more. All right, you guys, so we're going to be doing pages 51 through 7. If you want to keep going and try to do 8, 9, and 10, bonus, that's like extra credit. But I want everybody to do numbers 1 through 7, page 50, 51. Common multiples. You can do it.